Hello guys, so today I will show you how I make my favorite snack, spicy potato wedges in the air fryer. Also make sure to like, follow me on my social medias, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Okay, right, let's get into the video.
So first things first, you take your 2 potatoes and then I like to put it in a bowl with water. That's what I'm doing right now. And I just use the same tissue I used the last time I did this, and I lay it out. Then I like to use an oven mitt just to hold the potatoes because I'm scared of cutting my fingers. And I just cut these into wedge slices. This makes for 16 potato wedges. Then I like to put them in the water to let them soak and get rid of the starch. Then I lay it onto the paper towel. I let it dry out for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then what I like to do is I like to put it in that same silver bowl. And I like to add some salt. If I had paprika, I'd put paprika, but I put cayenne instead, and I did a little more than specified. Then I added some parsley and some black pepper. I put all the dry ingredients in, and then I go in with the olive oil. I like to use my hands to mix it because it just is a lot better. Then I put it into the air fryer for 10 minutes on 400 and then another 5 minutes when I flip it over after the 10 minutes are up. And yeah, I like to let it cool and then I just snack on it. It's great, it's spicy, and yeah, enjoy.
So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to follow me on my social medias. Subscribe and turn on post notifications. Okay, right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.